Hi, welcome back to my kitchen, or welcome to my kitchen if you're just coming here for the first time. I figured out how to make Korean corn dogs at home without all that batter, and I want to show you how it's done. Okay, let's get started. Okay, so first thing that I'm doing is I'm turning on my deep fryer. If you don't have a deep fryer, that's okay. You can use either a Dutch oven or a pot full of oil. I have my fryer on 350 Fahrenheit. So I found some sticks. You're gonna want some like this. These are wooden chopsticks, and we got them from Walmart. Excuse me, I think for 89 cents or something like that. Yeah, really cheap. And we're just gonna wet them. Make sure they're nice and saturated with water. Okay, so we have some sweet and juicy hot dog. I'm going to use, because I'm making 4, so I'm just gonna grab 2, slice them, put them aside. Now, I'm going to tell you the best cheese to use, and if you know me, then you know I love mozzarella mollissima, or however you say it. Okay, so, and honestly, it is the best cheese to use for this. And we're going to cut 4 slices. And I'm going to need another one, so. Okay, now for the next part. Grab you white bread, preferably. Grab 4 slices because we are making 4. And what we want to do is cut the crust. So put these aside for 2 seconds. I'm gonna need one of these. I'm gonna grab a little bit of flour, sprinkle not too much, just enough, maybe like a tablespoon or 2. I'm just gonna add a little bit of seasoning, tiny bit of adobo, and some garlic salt, not much. Mix it in. Grab your pieces of bread and just roll out your bread until it's nice and flat. Careful not to rip it. See that? Okay. Next up, 3 eggs. Okay, now comes the fun part. Grab your wet stick. Grab a block of cheese, carefully. And if it rips or creases, don't worry about it. It's okay, just as long as it doesn't break off the stick. Grab your dog, and right through the middle and out the top. It should look like that. You can use a regular hot dog too if you want, doesn't matter. Okay, so make sure they're the same width as your wiener, your hot dog. Okay, grab your egg. I'm just gonna wrap around like that. Try to close the top. And then we're gonna put it back in the egg wash. If it opens, it's okay because we're gonna mold it after we put it through our homemade panko. Beautiful. I'll do it again. Okay, last one. Also, make sure that the top is fully closed. Okay, if you have ever been lucky enough to try a Korean corn dog, you know that they've got fantastic spicy ketchup. And really all it is some ketchup, and I swear they use habanero hot sauce. Very good. Garlic sugar. So I'm gonna use some cane sugar, some garlic salt, and some garlic powder. All right, over to the fryer. Okay, so I'm gonna check on them. It's been 2 minutes. I know they're pretty done already. So 3 minutes in total. I'm just gonna turn them once. And I'll have them in there for about 30 seconds. God, are you kidding me? Look at that. Look at that. They're done. Oh my gosh. See the cheese coming out? Ooh, I'm so excited. Oh my God, they're done. I can tell you that they are amazing. My God. Let's try these. First, I want to sprinkle some of this garlic sugar / powder. Right? Spicy ketchup. First bite is the dough. And then there's the wiener right there. One of my favorite things in life is these Korean corn dogs. If you have ever had a Korean corn dog, you know that one fills you up and one is pretty much enough. These are great because they're a little lighter than that. There's no batter. And yeah, I mean, they're a lot less heavy on your belly. Cheese is coming out the bottom. I want a cheese pull. These are so good. Amazing. Let me know if you like this recipe, because I sure do. I'll be making more of these in the future, that I know. All right. Please give a thumbs up if you liked this video. Say hello. And I'll see you in my next video.